Question 1. What is L1 specified in the Aditya L1 observatory? Option A, first Sun Earth Lagrangian point. Option B, first Sun Moon Lagrangian point. Option C, first Moon Earth Lagrangian point. Option D, first Space Earth Lagrangian point. Answer option A. Aditya L1 is the first Indian space based observatory to study the Sun from a hollow orbit around the first Sun Earth Lagrangian point L1, which is located roughly 1.5 million km from the Earth. Question 2. India recently suspended visa services in which country until further notice? Option A, Afghanistan. Option B, Canada. Option C, China. Option D, Turkey. Answer option B. Amidst ongoing diplomatic tensions between India and Canada, India has suspended its visa services in Canada till further notice. Earlier, India issued an advisory to Indian nationals in Canada, including students, to exercise utmost caution while traveling in the country. Next question. Hoysala temples which received UNESCO World Heritage Tag are located in which state? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Odisha. Option D, West Bengal. Answer option B. UNESCO has officially added Karnataka's sacred ensembles of Hoysalas to its prestigious World Heritage List. The sacred ensembles of Hoysalas include renowned temples in Belur, such as the Chenakeshwar Temple and Halibut, featuring star-shaped architectural plans. Next question. Justice Geeta Mittal Committee, which was recently in news, is related to option A, prison reforms, B, women's reservation, C, Manipur violence, D, election reforms. Answer is option C. Justice Geeta Mittal, appointed by the Supreme Court to oversee Manipur violence relief and probe. It was constituted by the Supreme Court of India to intervene and monitor relief and rehabilitation and restoration of homesteads, religious places of worship, and to oversee relief and rehabilitation of victims of violence in Manipur. Next question. Recently introduced 128th Constitution Amendment Bill 2023 is associated with which? Option A, reserve 33% of seats for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Option B, reservation for economically weaker sections. Option C, identify other backward classes. Option D, GST, that is goods and services tax. Answer is option A. Indian government introduced the Constitution 128th Bill 2023, which proposes to reserve 33% of seats for women in the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assemblies. These amendments were a result of recommendations made by Balwant Mehta Committee in 1957 and the Ashok Mehta Committee in 1977.